How do you call the condition of being unable to sleep? Insomnia? What is the description of events that is spoken with background music during a film or a play? Narration. How many years are there in the passage of a decade? Ten years. Where do you hang your coat, in a closet or in a drawer? Closet. When a company's position improves, does revenue decrease or increase? Increase.
How do you call the siblings who were born at the same time?
Twins.
What device is used to measure the height of mountains?
Altimeter.
What is the name of a person who is ill in the hospital?
Patient.
What do birds use to fly?
Wings.
If a car is not stopping, what it is doing?
Running, moving.
What is the big musical instrument that has 88 black and white keys?
Piano.
Who is the person who cooks in the kitchen?
Cook, chef.
What financial institution do people usually go to save money?
Bank.
Who is the person hired to do a specific job in a company?
Employee.
Co-worker in the same institution is a colleague or a peer.
Colleague.